Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Josephine. If you're an old friend, welcome back, Akwaba to you all. So today we are making a coffee area. I'm going to use this little area in my kitchen for my coffee setting. You can use it as a hot chocolate bar or coffee area. It's up to you, however you want to set it. So let me give you a little inspiration how I do mine. If you remember, I've got this shelf here that I'm going to put it up there. I've already put 2 nails there. So I am going to hang it up here. It took a while, but it's done. So this is it. And I've already So with these marbles, hold on, I think I need to put this here like this. That's it. And I'm placing these marbles here because you get where I'm coming from. Because of my tray, I want the tray to be up a bit. So I need to do this way, then it comes up. If you want to do something like it, please see to it that they are even on there so you don't fall off. You don't want emergencies here. So yeah, so I've got the tray there. And I have got this, I hope I can show you that I've put them in this jar. I picked these jars from Home Bargains. It's I think £1 each. So I just put them there. And where's the other one? So I place my sugar cubes here. Isn't this cute? When I saw this sugar in Tesco's, I remember when I was a kid back home, that's the sugar we used to have. So I was like, oh, I want to get one. So yeah, that's why. And I've got my coffee things here. So I'm going to put them at the back. And this is cinnamon and vanilla one. And that stays there. So, where are the things? And these ones are the coffee honey spoons that I picked from TK Maxx or Home Sense. You can get them from there. So this can stay here for me. Or maybe, let's see. No, it won't fit there. So let's put it down here.
People do what you're doing, but keep on doing it. Just so you know, this camera can only see right down there, so you can see it closer. So if you're going to show the camera anything, show it to this one.
Okay. So, we've got some cookies here. I still use my coffee. I've got my other Nescafe. It's like very nice. So you can, if you don't have a big space, like you don't have a lot of space, you can just stack your beautiful cups on top of each other like this to make it look nice and beautiful in your area. So on the top shelf, what I'm going to do is going to place some nice flowers here, just to give the place a little bit of something. Let this go here and let this come here. So there you go. So that is gonna be there. And to finish it off, I've got my take sugar, I take honey. If I fancy honey, I just add honey to my coffee or tea. And if I'm going to work, I'm always ready. I'm always ready. So if I'm going to work, I just pick these ones and off I go. So I'm just placing this in here. Just so I've placed the coffee sign up there and there's flowers up there. So that because the frame is a bit tight, but well, it's there nice. And isn't this so cute? I find this butterfly from B&M. B&M, by the way, has got beautiful stuffs nowadays. So if you're doing any home improvement, you can check them out. So yeah, so I put my butterfly there, and this video is officially done.